This is a 2002 Mercedes C240, and it's no crank, no start, and the high fans is on. I mean, you turn to the second position and the fans are just blowing, and it won't crank up. All fuses are testing good, and I pulled out the ECU, and this is what I've seen inside. And I took it apart, and this is the ECU here for the Mercedes, but I'm sure that this here is the issue. Look at all that corrosion everywhere. So I'm gonna clean this up, put it back together. Stay tuned. It also spread it inside. As you can see, corrosion is there. Look at that. And if you look at the pins, I'm not sure if you can see the pins underneath. See that? Corrosion. So stay tuned. All right, so this is what we got. We're gonna try this out here. And again, this is a 2002 C240. High fans are spinning. When you turn the key to the second position, car no crank, no start, won't do anything. I took the ECU out, and look at this. Now, I already showed y'all what it looks like on the computer itself, but look at these connectors. Look at that. So it says to spray this on, let it sit. You know, I got some a little brush on. We're gonna scrub it. Stay tuned. All right, got it all cleaned up and put back in. Let's hope this thing does what it's supposed to. All right. Hey, fans are not on. That's always a good thing. Oh, yes. Bravo. Bravo. Oh no, you gotta work on that. Oh no, but bravo. Oh man. Woo! So, check the fuses. Make sure they're all good. But also, check those ECU connectors. That corrosion, clean it up. Oh man.